Ready?
Can you show to them how to make a heart?
I wait for them to get a piece of paper.
Okay, so you have a piece of paper.
And I need to wait everyone get a piece of paper.
Okay, everyone get a piece of paper. So what's the first step?
And everyone get a scissors.
And a scissor.
And get your marker and a sticker. And
Get a marker and sticker. Because we need that, right?
and get a cream tip. And a pencil too.
Oh, pencil too. Can you show it to them? Can you show it to them what you... Oh, that's the heart she made. Okay, can you make another?
Okay, and you need everyone copy me.
Copy me. So fold.
And everyone, you need to fold it.
Fold it.
And we have cool guys for ladybug
They're
Casey.
watching. She's gonna make a ladybug heart.
We have cool guys ladybug Casey.
We're gonna put an eyes on the ladybug. Show it to them. Your heart.
I need to. Yes, everyone, show to me Casey.
Yes, they see it. Look, I see. She made a heart. Can I
And
see?
everyone, I want to see you make it.
Okay, I will show you. Can I see? Can I see one? Because she will put that in her ladybug. Look, that's a heart. Very good. Okay, this is our table. It's kind of messy because we're making a Valentine card
everyone.
for her
And
classmate.
copy me, I make it.
Very good. You're very good at making heart.
Everyone, show to me a heart.
Show to me your heart, everyone. That's her heart.
And I gotta keep showing it.
Okay, let's continue.
And can I have yours?
Yeah, we're gonna use that.
Please.
Okay.
I don't want it.
So you're making a body of the
I do it backwards.
Okay.
I put that way.
Okay. Yeah, I make a line because it's a big heart, but the little one, she cut it in her own without a line.
Don't touch it. Leave it
That's
over
for the
here.
body of the ladybug.
You're gonna mix it drop and it's gonna be ugly.
Okay, so hurry up because we need to make a lot. We need to make
I can't.
18.
I can't.
Finished 6 yesterday.
You gotta fill my card now. I don't want but I can do chicken. You gotta put all card in a mailbox.
Put a lot, Micah, so that the head will stick. Okay. Okay. And then put the head. Measure. Measure. You see the line? Oopsie. Nope. Reverse. Reverse. Yeah. Do you see the line?
I don't want an ugly line.
You don't want it the ugly line.
No.
Oh, tap it. Tap it.
Tap.
Tap. Tap.
Ow, that's sticking.
Yeah. Can I see?
Ow.
Can you flip it? Flip. Yeah. So that's the body. This is the body. Yeah. Okay. More. So you got 2 already. You see, this is the back, Micah, the one that have line. When you do crafting, make sure that the back is the one that have pattern, okay? Okay, great job.
The head.
Yep, put the head. Okay, see? Did you tap it? You need to tap so that it will stick. Great
Tap it.
job. So this is the body of
Don't
our
touch this.
ladybug.
Just
Yeah,
like that.
we'll clean that later, okay?
Here's the back.
There's the back.
Head.
Tap it. Okay. How many more left?
Got 2 more.
She's the one that got also the heart.
I done this. It's 1 more left, okay?
One more left.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What?
We have more head. So this one. Oh, there's one more left. Tap, tap, tap.
And here's the other head.
Here.
Here. Oh, I done 1 more.
Yep. No, that's enough because it's 6 set already.
Hey, here's a grill.
Okay. Good.
Owie.
We're gonna put
Mommy,
that.
help.
Yep. Half size. Half size here. Not half size, just like a little. You have to be close.
I think
Hi, Micah. What are you doing?
I'm making a big eye. Don't
Making a
worry,
big
Molly,
eyes.
about that. This way.
Can you see? Yeah. Great job. That we will polish it later, okay? So she made 2. You're very serious, Miss Micah. Enjoy that?
Mm-hmm.
Great job.
I put it in.
That's a lot of heart, Micah.
I want to make myself.
Okay.
I want to make one. I know how to make it.
Here. Here. Okay, you're gonna make your own heart. Great job. Just be careful, okay?
Okay.
Can you show to me, Micah, all the ladybugs you made? That's one. How many you made?
1, 2,
2.
3, 4.
I don't see the. Can I see? 4,
5,
5,
6.
6. Very good. Very good. Okay, the legs. Great job. Is that a ladybug?
See?
Make the mouth nice. Great job. Then the legs. Good job. So cute. And the last one.
This is our last one. They
Mm-hmm.
V
What's next?
A
Mm-hmm.
L.
Okay.
Oops.
You're right.
Yeah.
And here.
N
What's next?
T
What's next?
I
Very good.
N
Mm-hmm.
E
What's next?
I
Space. You didn't. Okay, it's okay. Continue.
E
What's the name?
Molly
Okay, Molly.
is
M.
M L L Y
Mm-hmm. Okay. From.
F R O M Micah
Great.
About
So
Micah.
you made how many already? You made different sets. So 18 in total. You finish.
About this one.
Is this yours?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I want to make mine. Can I put my Papa's card, please?
Oh, you need to put it in the.
Please. Thank you.
Yeah, you need to write your name outside. What is your address? Your address is 17.
17.
Yes. Here.
It got
The
my
center.
Go write my name.
Yeah, center.
Here.
Yep.
Mink.
And then your number is 17. Go. That's a lot. Okay. Okay. Tip it. Excited to see? Excited?
Yeah.
Let's see. Careful.
Careful. Be careful.
Yay! Look what you did! Don't touch it.
Can I touch?
No. You like it? Don't touch it. You like it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Type in another one.
You want to try this one first? So pretty.